Looking to install optional updates in Windows 11? Here's a quick guide on how to find and install them easily. Press Windows plus I keys together on your keyboard to open Settings app. Click Windows Update on the left side of the Settings app window. Then, click Advanced Options on the right side of the window, as shown in the below screenshot. Then, click Optional Updates under Additional Options, as shown below. In the Optional Updates page, there are two options, that is Windows Updates and Driver Updates, as shown below. Select any, all of the updates available by clicking under Windows, Driver Updates option as shown. Select all the driver updates which you want to download and install. Then, click Download and Install button at the bottom of the page as shown in the below image. After the downloading and installing the Windows, Driver Updates is finished, close the Settings window. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.